Hey guys, it's your girl Ijeoma Kola. If you're new to my channel, this is where I combine beauty and brains with style and substance. Today I have a wig video for you guys. I have a new wig from Wigonly. This is actually a custom wig, so they have a lot of options on their website, but I kind of wanted two different things. Also because the color is so perfect for my hair color, and that's kind of really hard to do because my hair color is like a whole lot of different colors and like the roots are all grown out and yada yada yada. So ignore my silly twist. If it's your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions at any time, feel free to leave them down below. So I haven't yet taken it out of its packaging, but I am dying over this beautiful reddish copperish color. Inside the box you've also got a care card with some instructions. Yo, folks are like know how to do their marketing because they know their audience. Also includes a wig cap, a handy dandy elastic, a comb, as well as a broken hair finishing cream. I have no idea what this is, and the instructions are in Chinese, so yeah. I'm gonna start by applying the wig cap. I can't cornrow, so I usually just put my hair into twists before putting on wigs, and they work just as well, especially, well, kind of only for curly wigs. They don't work as well for straight wigs. Ooh, this is like a nice little stocking cap. I like to leave a little bit of my hair out. I don't like to glue down wigs. I'm not the kind of person who will wear a wig like for 7 days straight, so I don't glue them down. Yeah, that's just not my thing. So now I'm gonna take the wig out of the box. The bag. Ooh, so this is actually a the color is so pretty. Whew. Okay, this is actually a 16-inch silky curly Malaysian virgin hair wig in the color 1B, 33. Oh, it's so actually really silky. The density is 150% heavy, so something that I like about Wigonly is that they allow you to customize the density. The construction of the lace is 100% quality Swiss lace, and the hairline is a pre-plucked natural hairline, which, as you can see, it's pretty natural. Let's look inside. You've got you got a lot of combs. There are 3 combs. 1, 2, 3, 4 combs, and as well as the elastic little loop bands. Gonna dive into this lace. I think it looks pretty legit. Ooh, this color is actually a little bit brighter than I thought it was gonna be. So I had to back up to give myself a little bit more room, but I'm just gonna put the wig on to see kind of like how the lace is looking and to see the parts. It's always funny like the first time you put on a wig because you just can't tell what it's gonna be until it's on your little head. So far, I really dig these curls. This orange, this copper is really copper, so I actually don't know how wearable it is, but it's currently parted on a side part, and this is actually where I normally part my hair, so we're in good shape there. Yeah, I think all that's left to do is to cut the lace and see what I can make it look like. For the true wig gurus, this wig actually has some lace in the back. You know, if you wanted to put this up. Yeah, I'm not the one. So, I'm gonna throw this on again. I could probably cut more lace off. I'm gonna leave it. Look, that hairline though. Okay. I am going to adjust the straps a little bit. I always thought I had a big head, but the more and more I wear wigs, the more I realize that I actually have a small head. I have a lot of hair, but my head itself is not that big. You know when you're getting your hair braided and it's like the last section, but there are 7 last sections? That's how I always feel, and that's what makes me feel like I have a big head, but I think I just have a lot of hair. Anyway, I don't know where that tangent came from, but putting it back on. Now I'm just gonna take my fingers and finger comb out these curls because they are very coily. You can see how easily my hands run through this hair. It is gorgeous. Unfortunately, it's too much hair. I like always do this. I always say I'm gonna go for a shorter wig and I just get, I don't know, it's too long. So I probably should have even done like a 12-inch. I have a feeling that my husband's not gonna be here for this wig. He's not gonna be here for it. Wow. Y'all just weren't gonna tell me that I had like lipstick on my teeth though. Like, this is probably the softest hair that I have ever had on my head. So that's saying something. I'm not really sure how I wanna cut it. Hold on, I gotta go in the mirror and like look at it and figure it out. Okay, I'll be right back. So the issue with cutting is that you always find more pieces. There's always like something more. There's always something more. But I don't know why, I just end up like accidentally doing it like this. Like this is way more layered than this is, but I feel like at one point you just have to put the scissors down. So overall, here are my thoughts on this Wigonly wig. I do think that the quality, like the softness of the hair is really, really impressive. I don't have like shedding or anything when I run my hands through it. It was super easy to cut, so the strands aren't coarse or anything like that. My only issue with the color is that I do wish that the ombre was a little bit more subtle. So black into brown into the 33, so maybe if it was like 1B into a 4 into a 33, I think I would have really liked that. But I mean, it is what it says it is. It said it was 1B33 and this is 1B33. I definitely should have gotten a 14-inch because I feel like I ended up cutting off a lot more than I needed to. But overall, like I feel like this is gonna last a long time. I probably won't like do a lot of styling. Actually, you know what? I might, don't hold me to it, but I actually could see myself styling this as a bob, like blowing it out and straightening it and doing a bob, because the only other bob I have is a bit blonder versus like this copper tone. So I might. If you want to see how this would look straightened and in a bob, definitely like this video and leave a comment down below. Otherwise, I would highly recommend Wigonly. Their wigs are, you know, not cheap, but this is real hair and this is like really soft hair. So this is the kind of hair that will last a super, super long time. Not like the wig I bought from Amazon recently, which was like, where is that wig now? Only God knows. So I'm just gonna be hanging out with my family this week, but if I was like going somewhere, I would, you know, do the little concealer, whatnot, but you know, I'm just hanging out with my nephew, so he doesn't care about my part. I have a coupon code for Wigonly, guys, if you're interested in shopping with them. I'll leave that down below. Otherwise, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I would love to know what you think about this wig. Are you feeling it? Are you feeling this color? Are you feeling this length? Are you feeling this texture? This texture is also new for me. I think that's what it is. It's really the silkiness that's throwing me off, because I'm used to having like coarser hair. Like my kinky curly yaki wig is like super coarse because it's like afro textured. So this is kind of throwing me off, but I like it. I like it, and I feel like it's going to make it a lot easier if and when I choose to straighten it and put it into a bob. So hope that you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Wow, that was, let's try that again. Bye.